Welcome back to the channel. Malcolm here, one of the SEO specialists at ProLemon. In this video, I'll be going through with you how to check industry-related keywords on a search engine result page, or what's commonly referred as a SERP. Awesome. Let's jump straight to it. Okay, so as you can see here, I have done a branded search, which is ProLemon, our company. Speak of that, please leave a like on this video, comment, engage with us, click on the notification bar. We release videos on a daily regarding SEO, regarding link building, and so much more. I know SEO, link building, same thing, so much more. So do subscribe. We help you. We give you tips on a daily. So do what helps you in a sense. But back to the video. I did a branded search here, which is ProLemon, and as you can see, I have quite a few extensions like SEO Quick. We did cover a video on SEO Quick, so definitely do check that video out. And we have more such as SEO difficulty, keywords everywhere. By the way, it's some great extensions that I recommend, especially when I'm doing some competitor analysis. And yeah, as we mentioned, keywords everywhere. Of course, the business profile. But where I just want to stand on today is keyword surfer. So isn't it interesting that you see on my screen right now that I typed in a branded search, which is ProLemon, and look at what is popping up here. So this can help you when you're doing competitive analysis for another client. So when they say, when you ask them, who's your competitor? And they'll say, oh, my competitor is this person, Deloitte, or whoever that is. You can now see what keywords they are going for. Isn't that amazing? So it's such a huge time saver. You don't now need to go on another analytics tool such as Hrefs and see the keywords. Well, you can. We do highlight that you do, and so much more. What's pretty cool about this tool is there is volume. So you see the volume, how many people are searching for that specific keyword, and so on. And as you would have seen when I began the search is you can sort of pick and choose how many pages you wanna highlight. So I chose 20, so we can nicely view everything here. And what's pretty cool is you can click. You can click to the side. You can click just to view the full. So as I mentioned, it is this this tool is called pardon me. Let me you know, keyword surfer. Yes, keyword surfer. You can just download it on your Microsoft, not Microsoft, pardon me, Chrome extension. So if you go here on the web store, and then if you just type in keyword surfer today, oh, no, I know why it's doing that. Awesome. As you can see, the extension pops up, and then you can just add to Chrome. Awesome. That's just a quick tutorial on how to install keyword surfer, as well as how you can use it in actual real life example, and so much more. As you mentioned before, we release videos on a daily on SEO, on link building, on practically anything and everything related to marketing. So do leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, leave a like. Till the next chat, which is tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow. Ciao.